With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, question is a mixture of CuS molecular weight M1 and Cu2S molecular weight M2 is oxidized by KMnO4 molecular weight M3 in acidic medium, where the product obtained are Cu2 plus, Mn2 plus and SO2. Find the equivalent weight of CuS, Cu2S and KMnO4 respectively. So in the question we are given that we have a mixture of CuS and Cu2S. Now this mixture is oxidized using KMnO4 and the products obtained are Cu2 plus, Mn2 plus and SO2. And we have to find out the equivalent weight of CuS, Cu2S and KMnO4. Now equivalent weight is equal to the molecular weight upon change in oxidation number. Now when this reaction occurs, we have to find out the change in oxidation number of each element. So now first reactant, that is CuS, which is converting to Cu2 plus ion and SO2 gas. Now here in CuS, the oxidation state of copper, that is Cu, is +2 and that of sulfur is -2. In Cu2 plus, the oxidation state of copper is +2 and in SO2 the oxidation number of sulfur is +4. So when sulfur changes to SO2, oxidation number changes from -2 to +4. Therefore, the change in oxidation number is equal to +6. And when Cu2 plus changes to Cu2 plus, there is no change in oxidation number. So the total change in oxidation number here is +6, and therefore equivalent weight of CuS is equal to, its molecular weight is M1 upon change in oxidation number is 6. So M1 upon 6 is the equivalent weight of CuS. Now when we consider the second reactant, that is Cu2S, which is also converting to Cu2 plus SO2. So in Cu2S, the oxidation state of copper is +1, that of sulfur it is -2, and in SO2 the oxidation number of sulfur is +4. Now when Cu plus 1 changes to Cu plus 2, here the change in oxidation number is +1 goes to +2. So the change in oxidation number is equal to +1. But here we have two copper atoms. So for 2Cu, the change in oxidation number is +2. Now when sulfur in -2 oxidation state changes to sulfur in +4 oxidation state, the oxidation number goes from -2 to +4. Therefore, change in oxidation number is equal to +6. Therefore, the total change in oxidation number is equal to +6 and +2, which is +8. Therefore, the equivalent weight of Cu2S is equal to, its molecular weight given is M2 upon change in oxidation number is 8. Now the third one is that KMnO4 changes to Mn2 plus. Now in KMnO4 the oxidation number of Mn is plus 7. So here oxidation number changes from plus 7 to plus 2. Therefore change in oxidation number is equal to plus 5. Therefore the equivalent weight of KMnO4 is equal to its molecular weight given is M3 upon 5. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.